Hello everyone, my name is Neil Fuentes and I'm here to talk to you about Arroz con Pollo. Arroz con Pollo is one of those recipes that I grew up with. It's very typical in Venezuela and I'm going to show you the easiest way to make it. Alright, the first thing we do when we make Arroz con Pollo is grab our chicken and we're going to season it a little bit with salt, pepper, and a very special spice I always use called adobo. Adobo basically pretty much is a spice made with a little bit of garlic powder and salt and other spices in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to marinate those in that and we're going to fry them in a little bit of olive oil. Once the chicken is fried, we're going to take it off and we're going to utilize the beautiful flavors that are in that pot to saute our veggies. And they're going to be onions, bell peppers, and a little bit of ají dulce. Ají dulce is a sweet chili that we find in any Latin American store. We're going to actually chop these. I'm going to add them to them as well. We're going to add 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of tomato paste to give it a little body, a little piece, and then we finish it with the rice. So in a very simple way to say it, making arroz con pollo is pretty much making a chicken soup and then adding rice to that so the rice can absorb all the flavor, and there you have it. Voila, arroz con pollo.